Hello friends, today topic is 4 easy ways to make money quickly. Number 1, matched betting. Matched betting works by taking advantage of free bets offered by betting sites and matching them at a betting exchange. This removes that match mathematical risk, as you are betting both for and against an outcome. You can then squeeze out the free bet, which can be as much as $100. Multiply these by all the betting sites there are, and you could be in profit by a few £100. Lots of traders have made hundreds pounds at home from this technique. It's completely legal, tax free, and any over 18 in the UK can do it. You thought you to how to make your first profit using a real example in this game of a guide to match betting. Number 2, online paid survives. A popular way for people to make money online is to fill out online survey in their time. Research campaigns are always recruit new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products for a few minutes or from filling. You can quickly make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or reward. You can bag up to £3, $5 for some survive. A few good ones to try are you go option more wildlife panel base, more voice inbox pounds, option outpost etc. Number 3, searching the web. Interested in how to make money fast by doing what you already do online. This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online. Rewards you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. Install a simple browser extension and sponsored results will show alongside your normal search results. Each coin search has a cash reward. If you are interested, simply click on it and collect your rewards. You can also complete surveys to top up your earnings. The best thing is there is no minimum to cash out. Our first on was just 72 worldwide to our PayPal account. You also have the option to donate it to charity. Sign up now for free and start earning perform your own searches. Number 4, online market trading. Investing in the stock market is not an easy way to make money, but it can be if you learn to do it popularly. By the same token, all trading involves risk, so only even invest what you can afford to lose. Today, there is no need to fund Wall Street style stockbroker. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platform. Having spent many hours researching these new opportunities, being using the popular platform eToro.com. eToro is fully regulated and has over 25 million users worldwide. They featured in the BBC Two documentary trade millions by the minute and sponsor survival Premium League football clubs. One of unique thing on eToro is the copy trader feature. This lets you see, follow, and copy the investment of other top performing trades. Start with a viral portfolio where you get $100K to practice trading without any risk. The minimum amount to start making real trades for $10 and pound. Follow our complete guide to trading on eToro. We learned a great deal about virgin investment and industries.